You may have witnessed various project management success stories around. And now you are enthusiastic about the project management career and want to become a successful project manager. However, you don't have any prior project management experience. The lack of project management experience is holding you back from getting a project management job. And you don't know how to get around this problem. So, are you stuck on this problem? If so, then you have come to the right video. Hi, my name is Vijay, and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would learn about the 7-step strategy to become a project manager without any prior experience in project management. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project is a very common phenomenon. You may be already managing some sort of project on daily basis, without even realizing it. It could be as simple as buying an office chair, or buying a smartphone for your mother, or launching a rocket for SpaceX, or even launching a corona vaccine development program. To have professional project management experience, your first step should be to find your area of interest. Your domain could be something related to your educational background, skills you are good at, or driven by your childhood dreams. It could be anything you wish. Remember, even though the basics of project management concepts remain the same, every industry has its own standards and practice. So, it is critical for a project manager to have sound knowledge of his domain. This helps a project manager to implement project management solutions faster and effectively. The second step is to ascertain the current status of the professional journey. Are you a high school student, graduate, a fresher seeking his first job, or an experienced professional? This will help to define the starting point of your project management journey. The next step is choosing a suitable initiation point of your learning curve. And as time passes, this learning curve will get converted into project management experience. Depending on the current status of your professional journey, you will need to set your starting point. If you are a student, or pursuing high school, then online courses at web platforms like Coursera, Udemy, YouTube videos, articles, vlogs would best point to start your project management career. Enrolling on certified training courses, whether it's online or offline mode, is another option to consider. If you are bachelor, fresher, or looking for an entry-level job, then go for a certified accredited training course and start working on project work. It doesn't matter how small the roles are. This would be the most valuable opportunity for gaining practical knowledge of project management practices. If you are a bachelor's degree holder, with experience, then a certification university course, or pursuing a full-time master or PhD degree in university makes more sense. The fourth step is to identify the right certification or degree course. Again, the course should match with the type of profession, time availability, and aspirations. You should check which qualification is most suitable for your industry. Which one do you see listed most in the kind of job descriptions you're interested in? Which one is best suited to your available time and budget? Which one will better fit the kind of processes your company uses? Where in the world do you want to work? The fifth step is to walk the talk. Once you zeroed in on the right course, you will need to spend time and effort studying the curriculum. It may take from months to years to execute your plan. Once you have the professional certification, you are formally recognized as the bearer of project management knowledge. The sixth step is to start working on a project as a project manager. Even it requires you to do the job on a voluntary basis. There is ample need for project management solutions in any industry. This may vary from small to critical roles. Trust me, with a few months of working experience, your values and knowledge will be far ahead of many professionals. Then, you should start expanding your roles and looking for more serious responsibilities. This will propel your career in the project management world, and soon you would be known as a project manager. The seventh step is continuous learning and growth. Remember, project manager is not the final destination. You should continuously learn new things and latest happenings in the project management field of your industry. You should develop your career as a thought leader. And now you know the secret of becoming a project manager without any prior project experience. And if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at ProjectsMind.com. At ProjectsMind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.